Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make triangular and square grannies. I made a video about this grannies actually, but that's a little different. You can watch this video too. I put it here. I'm gonna use these ones for some headbands, and I made the same squares just for a vest. So I want to show you with a different video, and you can use them anywhere you want. For this ones I'm gonna use cotton yarns and 4mm hook. If you are ready, we can start now. I will start with the square. If you want, you can make a slip stitch, then chain 4, insert from this first chain, grab the yarn over and pull through, chain 3, insert into this space and make your double crochets, work into this space, but there will be a hole, so I'm gonna work with a magic ring. Hold this yarn, wrap the yarn around your fingers and wrap it one more time and make it cross. Insert your hook under this first strand and grab the other one. Make a twist. Grab the same yarn. Make a chain. And that's my magic ring. I made it too big, but it's not important. Chain 2 more. That's my first double crochet. Insert into same place. Make double crochets. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over. Insert here, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm using 2 ways to make the corners. If I'm making 3 chains for the corners, I'm not making any chains for these spaces between these 2 sets. If I am putting 1 chain for here, I'm putting 1 chain for the corner. Now I'm gonna use this way. So chain 1, insert here and make 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Just close this ring, make a chain and insert from this third chain, join with a slip stitch, make a chain and cut the yarn. And grab the next color. That's too long. Insert from the corner, grab this yarn. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert same place. Make 2 more double crochets. Then chain 1. Into this same place, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and that's our first corner. Chain 1, insert into the next corner and make 1, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 1, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 1, insert into the next corner, 1, 2, 3, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 into the next, make 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, then make a chain, join from the third chain with a slip stitch. For the next row, I'm going to start from the corner, chain 3, 1, 2 double crochets, make a chain, into same place, make 1, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and into this one chain space make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, into the corner, make 3 double crochets, 1 chain, 3 double crochets, chain 1, make 3 double crochets into one chain space, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and 3 more, make a chain, make 3, make a chain, make the last corner, one chain, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, make a chain and join. And you will repeat this as long as you want. Just make the corners and put 3 double crochets into these one chain spaces and make it bigger. Start with a magic ring. I'm gonna make a small one. Now I made 3 chains and add 1 more, 4. I count this one too, of course. And into this space I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3 double crochets. That's a set. And this one is one chain space and this one is a double crochet. I'm gonna explain you. Make a chain, make 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Now we will close here, but first make a chain and make 1 more double crochet here. Close this ring here. These ones will be our how could I say this, increasing point. You will increase our triangle from here. Make a chain and cut the yarn. I'm gonna start from here. Always use the right side. Insert from this 1 chain space. Make 4 chains. Insert into same place and make 3 double crochets. That's our half corner. Make a chain into the corner, make 1, 2, 3, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, make a chain, and 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet, make a chain, cut this yarn. Grab the other color. I'm gonna start with the same place. Make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 double crochets, make a chain, into this 1 chain space make 3 double crochets, make a chain, make the corner, make a chain, three double crochets, make a chain, and make 1, 2, 3 double crochets, a chain, and 1 more double crochet, and you're gonna repeat this as long as you want again, and then you finish all of them. How to hide these tails? It's be better if you hide them while you are working. Just make your double crochets around them, but that's a stitch with holes, so you cannot fully hide the tails with this way. So I'm gonna use a needle, just hide the tail, then cut it. I'm gonna show you one more time. I just work around this tail, then I'm gonna go the opposite way with the needle, then then cut them. If you want, you can go one more time. And that's all. You can use them anywhere you want. I'm gonna show you the other ones too. Hope you like these tutorials. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address and it's also my Pinterest website, Ravelry, Etsy, blah blah. You can find me anywhere you want. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.